last year me order dey bi on eBay. Na okay say previously me a video be about GCB say commercial bank for ateme abra scanning Andrew sa so who saw video na we na me to sa camera we na me to camera we Nikon D810 na eBay hono minya price no $810 nti na me use me PayPal and I me dey atwia we no nti ba na me wo $16 e wo me PayPal account ni PayPal balance na me wo $16 e wo mdada camera we na price na me nya ni $810 nti $810 no me PayPal balance na me wo $16.55 e wo PayPal balance ni nti omote $16.55 ni efrim nti the omote free me bank card na so no that's Visa card no me je wo commercial bank no omote $793.45 at that particular time na me to no na wo hwe a rate na wo commercial bank na so omote me $103 no but omote sa omote 120 million plus no omote me nti me from me ne omo kasai bibia no omo nti me reason nti omo test like omo yes overcharge no nti me reason bia no omo ka exchange rate no satan na auto na exchange rate ni to say nti me request say omo fa exchange rate no chart na ma me se bia history no last every Monday kosi Friday no exchange rate no history ni to say omo nti me provide back kwa dia ma me omo customer no omo nti me provide am fa ma me old currency net 123 million old currency in American 123 million and a camera ni be true ye didn't tell me yes video about you nipa bia opeso on shop ya de eBay I was previously me videos about eBay how I first shopping normal nti ma to sa de we wie na ma tete we na wie na 123 million na de ni be drew FedEx for no mu deliver o hwe box no ho aside say no mo se FedEx for na o mu di ni wo na FedEx for na deliver nti me was that time no na me wo doma henkro na FedEx for frame o mo catch me so pass number be dey na custom for no o mo hold two options say one obeba ha na one kasa wa be clear and say two you be request price na the amount e wo ho and say two you be je price na free custom for no na dey in the amount na me catch so kisi me odoma nti o de monje price na enfama me nti o moje price na price no ka no o mo final charges na ide amma me nti ma me ka so ade na dey na che tell me call I FedEx for me definitely FedEx obi age more FedEx or no him ya onim say me ba ho sometime be me ba ho me no ade nti na manya price na still anti say in case of say why dey be the FedEx wo ho na o catch omo so omo nje price na wo custom for no cause omo building no omo babi omo wo no omo ne custom for na wo ho nti o ka say omo nje price na custom for no ma wa omo do 200 cedis na omo service charge nti omo je me 300 cedis nti me wie no say me customer ne ba omo je me 300 cedis ti ba ko no omo je free price na free custom for no ho no 300 cedis but my main casting we me cast last time me talk camera na me ditwa video sisi a Nikon D800E me toy no DHL for no mu deliver sa camera we e de bra me sa time na me wodoma but the omo ye ni say omo de ade ni be di osunyan omo de we ni ba sunyan omo de ba sunyan no na omo frame me catch me say omo de ade na ba sunyan che say unse sunyan ni doma eben say de bia e ma cost ni de e ma cost custom for hold na me coin na custom for ne calculate bibi wi ayede e de ma me nti omo calculate bi no ka no say 1,500 by no a check say 2 years intervals in 2 years the cost of for some money 1,500 then na me clear na me chema de buy nti we no omo catch me so we doma e na kra omo ntimi am for message no like cost ni na total we near cost of phone be ni na de am fa ma me nti me call ho na omo je me tracking number omo bobo no ma be shame then and am call no na custom for ni scar overall no custom for score mo jemi e wo camera na me turn $18 including shipping fee na fancy be 2,500 uti from my fancy at the price na nkasa no in real na nkasa price no o hia 7,800 price na nkasa 7,800 custom for scar omo jemi works ha camera no ho ye 3,300 no mo jemi duty a that camera no kwa so na mo ma me options me enu bi options me enu ne say one se ma ba betwia o da bi mo ma me be 3 options one say me ntwia amenje me say two say me return cause metimi a return or return dia untwia duties bia na me ye imagine say okay duty ne eso too much ma me cause metimi nto camera sa bo we na me metwia duties 3300 nti o mo return me call FedEx for her FedEx for say return o mo calculate return ma me no o meji me 26 million patching you o meji me 2600 nti o mo ma me option say okay say the bono tenancy agbenya ye den tua na clear wade price ne so was so too much den e ma me me pese me twa cause me say ade no cra price ne was so akakoye half of ade ne price no nti me twa half of ade ne 7800 me twa half of ade ne price no nti price ne was so too much nti be dey omunye hu bibi no omonte so ma me omo say da bi omuntimi immediately ade no ecosystem ni nko ade cause ade no bibia rate ne da hodata ecosystem ni nko ade omuntimi de omuntimi yehwe emfa ho ntimi no mo kan ya stella omuntimi nyede anyehwe amfa nti before say me move on no me recommend say so be a ship wa dan awot ade a obema nipa na use FedEx the minimum say DHL for no de baba post office be e ben wa custom for ede e wo ho no mo de aba no akọ clear ani ko see but metimi abobo e bia duties bia de da camera no so nti uta obehu duties say we de untwia ko duty na menim say wo so pae import VAT no import VAT na camera we ni metwia 1006 Ghana 1006 Ghana na we import duty ni 5.8 camera we yo omuntwia 5.84 ewo import duty and import VAT 1600 then yawo COVID-19 recovery levy and here 122 Ghana cedis I was a camera with COVID-19 recovery levy 122 Ghana cedis I was a camera with and import like a dozen na overall no mo kan nyina about 3300 na me twa and last hour me camera na FedEx for so charging me almost 300 cedis no mo me 300 cedis then na me into count boma ni nyina overall no okaboma overall no FedEx for na custom for no 36 million na camera is in committee 7800 that's 78 million na me twa duties and we for no 36 million na almost half of at the end price na me twa in up to now so no commercial bank to me explaining share me didn't say I didn't almost 100 million na almost 122 million plus no omuntimi explaining fan share me inti wo hwe me sisi an opeso onto ade a won shop ade a how dey wo do two tima me gidi se be boa wo experience no and the last one make card a very very important part omo ma me option bi say omo se ade ne mantimi antwi a mpatwe nhwe na edi 3 months wo FedEx for no ha do me ne say omo de be call state house omo de call state house e bi di 1 month so until 1 month no wontimi antwi a then no more action ade no to me oshade na de na camera na wudo wo abru mojani ato ade no na mo atimi awshade ne dia mani pafo fofo nti afi na person on start business bi na wabo sika na ato ade a na custom for because of when mentwe duties no na omo yede omo ko to mani pafo and at the same time so me imagine say me return no medical catch almost somebody me 26 million. Just imagine says that time unye skabia emfan sort sa dey way out ti dey besi ni say dem come match wa chef if you dem kan na ade na wo do sika to no ono on side enka ntina dey me hwe kra on say oh maybe say so oh Ghana card wo oh yeah me Ghana card okay Ghana card you would details ni na yini madwuma wo ye ebia yebebi say wadwuma wo ye we nti udits no e be ma time 4 months 5 months for trade duties no for good accounts we near the amount patriot cost in a my patriot in a my in a try say build Ghana together and my Ghana headache it's me because oh Ghana card quickly with more alone until na government no want me and ye Ghana card and I say be among be or ya by a juma and I say I don't we now ya clear we amount church and as a month ye better to nkakra rather than say omuna de ne be ko state house no mo ko oshia de na nipa ntimi nya one city kra infra de na odi ni sika de atono enti wo hwe video we now person won shop ya de a enye no money nyina na mostly a custom for no hodi oto ade nketenkete bi ti say ebi a light nketenkete bi ebi a remote bi a ene custom for ne hodi ene ebi a wodo postal address na ye ya omo de ba be two post we na na so be kono ebi e registered a omo juice ka eba madam ne de ibe be ba no wasan osan a omo juice ka bi a ba wo na wo bi a person ma madam ne bi a be 50 cedis na 40 cedis bi a na de ama na de ato no me gidi se video be mboa wo o person shop ya de a e so hu sa de we and at the same time so camera na me ton cause of he duties are and he duties na cost involve be paper balance na de keka ho camera no me ton 16,000 that's 160 million camera na e monopa camera na very nice monocra mono camera nice pa camera na very nice monopa in patch we interested we be to send me message or techintwi@gmail.com and asibia techintwi@gmail.com na yewu ha wa bit ma faswede asoto camera na nice pa Nikon D810 camera me to say ma be use but the CCNT atimani so kra me jiri se video be boa amade bia we bia no obeko anim follow techintwi on Facebook YouTube and subscribe channel no me the videos be bra me the videos are ehu here wo kana ha bia ya de bia unim ade na wo ye no